In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate cloud storage with Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using Google Drive or Dropbox, adding these cloud storage options to your Teams platform can greatly enhance the way you collaborate and manage files with your peers. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to launch Microsoft Teams. This can be done either via the desktop application or by accessing it through the web. Once you've opened Microsoft Teams, go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This step is straightforward, but it's crucial to ensure you're in the right account to save any potential hassle later. With Teams open and ready to go, it's time to navigate to the specific team or channel where you intend to integrate your cloud storage. Once you're in the right place, pay attention to the top of your Teams window. You'll see several tabs and you'll want to click on the one labeled Files. This is where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Files section, look for the option that says Add Cloud Storage, or it might say Add Cloud Storage Provider. Clicking on this will bring up a list of possible cloud storage services you can connect with. For this tutorial, let's focus on Google Drive and Dropbox. Select either of these from the list depending on where your files are stored. After you've made your choice, a sign-in window will pop up. This is where you'll need to enter your Google or Dropbox account credentials. Once you've done that, a prompt will ask you to allow Microsoft Teams to access your cloud files. This is a necessary step that enables the platform to integrate smoothly, so be sure to click Allow. With access granted, you're now able to select which folders you want to add to Teams. Carefully pick the folder or folders you want to make available to your team members within your channel. Once you've made your choice, simply hit Add. From this point on, the folders you selected will be visible under the Files tab in the new Cloud Storage section. Now that your cloud storage is set up, you can start accessing and sharing files. Click on either the Google Drive or Dropbox tab in the Teams interface. You'll be able to browse through your files, open them directly in Teams, and effortlessly share links with your colleagues. If you're using Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, you're in luck because you can even co-edit these files with your team, making collaboration more seamless than ever. And that's it. You've successfully integrated your cloud storage with Microsoft Teams. Enjoy improved collaboration and streamlined access to your documents directly from the Teams environment. Thanks for following along, and happy collaborating.